Good morning, everyone. Today, as you can see, this is my little lineup for today. We got some lemon water and ice with a green smoothie. I'm trying to get back on my healthy kick, but this is going to be a video week in my life of finals. Just for reference, I'm in graduate school for social work and criminal justice, and this is my first semester, so I'm ending my first semester. And yeah, welcome to a week in my life. I just wanted to update you guys. I've been working on this paper right here for school. It's for my social work research course, and I have to identify all these research stuff, and it's making me annoyed. But that's due tomorrow. But I just wanted to pop in and just say this is really all I've been kind of doing, is working on this paper. Yeah, I guess this is real life, just doing this for now, and honestly for the rest of the night probably will just be chilling. So for all those people that are studying for their finals or writing papers, I'm with you, and I don't really have any motivation to finish this, but we shall get it done. Whew, I am out of breath. I just ran downstairs and got my package. I was looking for this package, I was looking for this package, waiting for this to come. It said it was supposed to come at 9 p.m. and it's almost 6, and it's finally here, so let's open it up. I got the little box. Last time I ordered something in Skims, I didn't get the box because I think the box only comes with shapewear. And then I also got a set. I literally have to put a new SD card in, but don't mind the bra straps. But this is what it looks like. I wish I could show you more, but this is what it looks like. I think it looks so good, and it's super comfortable. I feel like that I could just throw a cardigan on and call it a day. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Let's actually open this together. I got the sculpting bodysuit. It is so small, so it's stretchy, so let's try it out. It's super cute. I feel very cute. I throw on a pair of jeans on with it. I think it's definitely giving shape. Obviously it's shapewear, but so overall I am happy with the purchase. The shorts are lightweight. They literally feel like cotton on you. Good morning. It's time for class at, usually it's at 8:30, but today I should push it back for 9 for our last class. Dejan's helping me get my lunch together. Just leftover Alfredo. So yeah, and then I have work until 4:15, and then we're going out. liking this cute messy hair, but here's my outfit. I'm gonna keep it super simple. Skims top with these jeans and just a jacket because I feel like being comfy and it's cold out. But okay, so I'm all ready. This is how I have my hair. I just have them back right now, but I just have it like this with the low bun with some earrings. Like I said, the Skims top with this. Just I want to keep it casual, sweatshirt. And then here are my jeans. I'm gonna be wearing my Uggs, my black Uggs. I feel like I just wanted to keep things like simple, but yeah, we got these tickets from one of Dejan's friends, so I have some Poppy. This is the orange kind. We got Insomnia cookies. This is a cookie place that you can get like warm cookies from. They're not as big as crumble cookies, they're just like the normal size, but this is what we got. And we just got back from the game. I showered and I'm gonna do some homework and we're gonna eat some dinner, but that's kind of what we've been up to. So here's dinner. It's just some Bertolli. There's veggies, chicken, and noodles. And then we have a Caesar salad with Parmesan cheese, and we have croutons. Good morning, everyone. I just got done getting ready, and I'm just gonna stretch my hair a little bit. So I usually just put it in a bun, but it is Wednesday. I have work. I have work today. Again, I have work like every single day, but it should be a slow work day. I have on these Uggs and then just these like black pants. I don't know, they're fuzzy and warm. And I just have on a black sweatshirt and then a tank. I didn't really show you guys a lot of what I did yesterday. I don't know, it's just weird to like vlog at work. And I have to work on 2 of my papers today. And my motivation is just so low right now. Like I don't want to work on my papers. I just want to sit. I just want to relax. I want to go to the gym. I just want to have some free time, but I'll be working virtually all throughout my January break, which won't be too bad because I won't have like really any meetings with students. So yeah, I have to finish my criminal justice paper, and then I have to finish my individuals and families social work paper. So yeah.
Right in the middle.
Happy Thursday. I mean, happy Wednesday. Oh shit. But I need to put my hair up because I can't do the whole down thing right now. But just got home from work. We're going to the gym tomorrow. And I'm hungry, so let's find something to eat. Cucumber water is the best water. not tried cucumber water, you are not living. Cucumber water is so good. It's like so refreshing. One of my goals for 2023 is to drink some more water, and I think having like lemon or cucumber in your water makes it so much easier to actually drink water. So cheers to drinking more water. Dejan's making some homemade fries from a potato, so he's cutting it up, and then we put them in ice water for about 30 minutes. So then you spray your pan with non-stick spray or any kind of spray you want. We used the avocado spray right here, and then you're just gonna put your dried potatoes on here. And put it all in one layer so none are overlapping. And then you're gonna put it in the oven for how?
15 minutes on each side.
15 minutes on each side at what, 350?
450.
450. Okay, so I just warmed up some chai concentrate. Looks like that. And then I also warmed up some milk, and I have a frother, and I just actually started frothing milk, and I did it for my chai last time. It was really good, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try some of Dejan's fries. One of his fries. Oh, yummy. Here are the wings. Okay, so now I'm going to do some homework. I've been procrastinating all night to do homework. I have 2 papers that I have to write. So they're all started, so it shouldn't be too bad. So we are ordering crumble. We usually don't have that many sweets throughout the week, but Dejan really wants to try the banana pudding, and our crumble cookie location is having the banana pudding one. and I really want to try it too, so I'm just gonna get the regular chocolate chip. It's like the semi-sweet chocolate chip one, and then he's gonna get the banana pudding. I'm gonna try the banana pudding because apparently they don't have it tomorrow on like tomorrow's menu, so that's why we're gonna get it tonight.
What are you going through, Mama?
I'm going through finals and that's hard. Anyways, so this is our crumble cookie. Like I said, they didn't have the banana pudding one like we wanted. We got a 4-pack for free, which we'll probably do a crumble cookie week review one time because I think that'd be fun. But this is our cookie that we got. We just got the semi-sweet chocolate chip cookie. My camera's about to die, and yeah, let me charge this and I will try the cookie. Okay, let's try this cookie. It's served warm. Yum. It's like a classic chocolate chip cookie. I like the semi-sweet one better than their normal one though. So this one's better than their original one. Okay, so I don't have my glasses on, so it's a little blurry, but I'm gonna do one of the ordinary masks. This is the one I'm gonna do. It's kind of like, it's a peeling like solution. It gets a little picky on your skin because it's like getting rid of like the first layer of your skin off or something like that. But this is like one of my favorite masks. I feel like this mask like got rid of like a lot of the bumps on my face. So this is what it looks like. It looks so crazy, but yeah. I love that mask. I feel like my skin feels so nice after, and it literally only takes like 10 minutes, so definitely worth it. You can get it at Ulta, you can get it at Sephora. I think you can get it from Sephora. It's almost 7. I mean, it's almost 8, and we're getting ready for the gym. I'm literally so tired. I'm gonna eat this banana. I'm just so tired. So good morning. Workout is completed. I did legs and abs. Dejan did arms and abs. We're gonna do the sauna, but we're gonna try that another day. And now we're gonna go get these like protein smoothies. We're getting our smoothies.
Protein shakes.
Protein shakes. So I got the Grinch. Dejan got, what did you get?
Turtle cheesecake.
And you got the what?
Turtle cheesecake.
Is it good? Mine came with a candy cane. It's minty. These are like meal replacement drinks. They have like protein in it, so it's like good for after the gym. Right, Dejan?
Full one full.
Yum. Hey everyone. We just got back. Well, I just got done with the work, and We went to a grocery store called Sendik's here. I never went there, but first time. And I saw this. It's like a sparkling water. And I'm excited to try this. I've heard good things about this. They also had another one that had like minerals in it. But Dejan was like, get this one. So I got this one. So I will probably try it later tonight. And then we also just got some mild cheese because it's Taco Thursday because we missed Tuesday. So we're having tacos and we needed cheese and we ran out of our block cheese. So I'm all showered and I got back my grade for one class. For my final like paper, 14.5 out of 15, yay. And I'm still working on these papers right here. I'm almost done with this one, but then I have to work on my other one. So that's what I'm doing currently. It is Friday, December 16th, and I've been thinking about starting to journal a lot recently. I feel like that's gonna be like one of my new goals for the 23 new year. So I have like these two like books. They're just lined paper that I think I'm gonna start journaling. So I think I'm gonna start right now, and yeah. Okay, so I quickly came into the bedroom a little bit just because Dejan is on call right now. And I wrote a page. I want to keep it short so that I have more room to write. But my question that I talked about was, what life lessons do I wish I knew 10 years ago? So I wrote on that for a little bit. And yeah. I'm going to probably find something to eat and chill out. I started editing this video last night. There's literally so much footage. So I will be doing that tonight and working on my paper. Of course, can't wait for that to be done. So relaxing Friday night. I'm gonna try this water out. Let's see if it's good. Oh, it just tastes like sparkling water. Yum. I wonder what I could like mix this with. Would it like taste good with some like lemon or lime? If anyone drinks sparkling water, let me know like how you drink it, or if you just drink it plain. Is that like what you're supposed to do? But it's good. It tastes just like the other one I was gonna get, but this one's cool. It's a green bottle and I like it. So I'm gonna end off the vlog right here on Friday just because I don't really have like anything else to do other than homework. I don't want to show you that because that's boring. So good luck anyone who's taking finals, and I hope you pass all your finals. I hope I pass all my finals, and thanks for watching. Bye.